Okay.
Hey everybody, how you doing? My name is Victor Glad Alisea, and I'm super excited that whoever put you on here is really excited about helping you live a healthier life. That's what we're talking about here, right? And so thank you so much for joining us. We're gonna spend the next 15 minutes together talking about our product, the True Science Liquid Collagen, right? And this is gonna be an overview explaining all the things and why ours is better than everybody else, right? So I don't know about you, but I'm super excited about the collagen that we're using. And it's the first and the only in the world that activates your body. Let me explain that to you. That activates your body. There's nothing better than your body healing itself, right? It flips the switch and it creates its own collagen, right? This is groundbreaking. And who we are as a company, I want to make sure that you understand who we are as a company and what if we could activate our bodies to do what they did years ago when we were younger and youthful and full of energy and excited, right? And many decades ago. So over the next 15 minutes, I want to share with you a little information again about why our collagen is better than everybody else's, right? And then share with you the amazing breakthrough that we have in this liquid collagen product about about activation in your own body. So before we get started, I want to make sure that we go over the disclosures. We have to cover these, right? Because I'm going to be talking about health, and we're not here to cure. We're not here to treat, to mitigate, to prevent diseases, right? What we are about is preventative mindset, right? We are about activating our body to do what it ought to be doing many decades ago. And so I'm interested in living longer and living better. What about you? Right. Just know this. I am going to be talking about some really, really exciting stuff in the world of your health and wellness. Things that are just outside of the box completely. So why collagen? The high question. That's the hot question. So if you haven't heard about collagen, if you're one of those people that's living in a bubble and you don't really know about collagen, we're going to be a little surprised about that. But a little quick education. So that's what we're here to do, is to educate you about the collagen, right? In case you don't know, right? So collagen is the most abundant protein that makes up 25 to 35% of the proteins in your body. It is responsible for providing structure, right? So the body produces collagen proteins from the amino acids that you take through your food, right? And that's very important, right? This process starts to deeply decline around when you're 30 years old, is when you start like losing your collagen and many other things in your body as well, right? And it leads to a significant reduction in collagen density, which then causes saggy, dull, and wrinkled looking skin, right? It also leads to a host of other health concerns. Why collagen? Because it's a part of the vibrant lifestyle. Next up, what benefits beyond great skin, right? When we think about collagen, we think right away about our vanity, our skin, looking younger, and all of these things, right? But again, let's talk about this. Collagen is the most abundant protein. It's all over your body. It's everywhere in the body, right? And we're talking about nail health, preventing premature hair loss, cushioning joints, strengthening bones, sleep quality, overall tissue repair, keeping your eyes healthy, liver function, optimal health, cardio flexibility, mental health, mood, brain, and cognitive support. I mean, just to mention a few, right? The more I study collagen, I am finding it's one of those simple to go tos that has an underlying influence and benefits into so many aspects of your health. You want collagen in your life, right? So what makes True Science liquid collagen superior and unique, right? It comes down to our true science, of course. Our collagen is unique, right? And it's one of a kind, the first ever in the world marketplace for what it does, right? So let me tell you why these three words are very important. Activate, replenish, and maintain. This collagen is going to do what other collagens don't do, as well as what they're not doing anything. They're not activating your body, replenishing it, or maintaining it. Right. So let's start with number one, activate. Right. So there's a special little ingredient extracted from a plant called ruby red quinoa that has unique properties. It's right here. You can see it right here. That looks pretty amazing. And it's a potent extract from this grain unlocks the cell's ability to absorb collagen as it activates natural collagen synthesis to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkle, right? So it actually flips the switch in your own body so that your specialized cells create their own collagen. Again, I can't stress this enough. This is the first and only activating collagen product in the world, not just the United States, but in the world. Replenish, right? Number 2, you will see a lot of collagen products are not there to replenish collagen, right? I am sure you have heard about collagen peptides, right? Fish marine derived or other sources such as bovine. That's one of the other ones that's really a lot of people use, right? Our true science liquid collagen is fish collagen. We choose that. We've chosen it to be fish collagen peptides, but let me explain why, right? 5 grams of your hydrolyzed marine peptides from responsibly and sustainably caught fish. This is the key here, right? So don't miss it. Our collagen provides 10 types of collagen. There are actually 28 types of collagen in your body. If you look at the products, sorry about that. if you look at the products that help to replenish collagen, you're going to find that most of the places that you go and get collagen, right? You might find maybe 2 types, 1 or 2 types, or if you're lucky, you're going to find 3, 4, 5, maybe 6. I haven't found anything in 6. I've been searching it just to see and compare. But our product has 10 types of collagen. 10. That's pretty crazy, right? The thirdly is maintain. We're going to have a protective approach in this products. As you can see here, right, it's berries and citrus fruit extracts, right, to help protect your body's collagen stores. It's going to slow down the breakdown of your existing collagen. That's just part of the body process. And the key here is we want to slow it down, right? It's one of the things that we need to do. So again, activate, replenish, and maintain. The big 3. Right? No other product in the world is doing this. So let's talk about what's not in it, right? What is not in our liquid collagen? No added sugar, no artificial sweeteners, non-GMO, dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free. This is a super clean product. And then why liquid? People are always, getting powders or they're getting whatever else, but let's talk about liquid. You're probably wondering why, right? You'll see collagen products out there that are powders and capsules. Liquid collagen is so important because collagen proteins are actually rather large. And if you put a bunch of those proteins in the body itself is going to get bogged down, right? We don't want it to bog down, right? It's going to struggle to optimize the uses of these because the body is going to have to break them down. What we want to do is prior to putting it in the body is to hydrolyze this collagen. In other words, we're going to just kind of break up these collagen peptides into smaller pieces and change. So when they hit the body, they're able to be utilized immediately. That's why this next thing is so important. Documentation beats conversation. Now, it's been hilarious how many people have told us that these things are not real. It looks like it's just fake stuff happening, but the results are results. And as you can see, this is my wife here, and she got these results in 13 days. We were going to go to a doctor and get this done for $2,500. And all we had to do was in 13 days, take the collagen, right? The results speak for themselves. It's pretty amazing, right? And so here, look at this. This is somebody with, extra skin. When you're working out, you get that extra skin as you get older. Here you see somebody's hands all jacked up, and then you can see for yourself that it's different here. And as you can see here, this is also more skin that's loose, tightening up. As you can see here, the colors are changing. These are people taking pictures in the same light, but you can see the glow that's in their body and the wrinkles going away. And as you can see here, she's looking a lot more useful and wrinkles going away from her face. Here you see somebody with these lips that are like really, really, getting full here. Look at this. Here we have somebody in 90 days, all this leg extra stuff, skin there, and how clean it is 90 days later. This is 21 days. right here. This somebody had an operation here, and it's 25 days later. How you doing, Yvette? And here, these are two of our products here. This is the NRF2 and the collagen together, which they multiply incredibly. And you can see here, people literally growing hair back. You can just see that for yourself. And this is one of our friends who's a rep here, and she's been fighting to get her hair like this for years. But you can see she has alopecia and her hair is full here. And last but not least, you can see these eyebrows and how the skin is getting deeper here and the glow here, and also the shine in here. So these are some of the creative stuff that we have here. Like we said from the beginning, the documentation is all that you need here. So again, whoever invited you, make sure that you send, that you get back to them and that you ask them all the questions that you need to have. And I'm looking forward to you joining us and getting younger, because right now is when the fountain of youth is happening for all of us. Thank you very much. Okay, let me stop.